Hi, today's topic is dividing polynomials. Let's take a look at question number 1. We have x squared plus 4x divided by x. Find the quotient, it means divide. So we have to use each divided by x. So we have x squared divided by x, in the middle is addition, so we put plus, and then 4x divided by x. So now x squared divided by x, the exponent for x is 1. So now we are going to do is subtract exponent. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we're going to get x to the first power, and then plus. So now we get x divided by x. A number divided by itself is 1. So we're going to get 1 over 1. So 4 times 1 is 4. So therefore the final answer is x plus 4. Now let's take a look at question number 2. So we got 4x cubed plus 8x squared plus 16x divided by 4x. Find the quotient. So now we're going to use each divided by 4x. So I'm going to write 4x cubed over 4x. This is a plus sign. Then we get 8x squared divided by 4x plus sign. 16x divided by 4x. So now we get 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we put 1, and then we subtract exponent. 3 minus 1 is 2, so x to the second power, and then plus. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then we subtract exponent for the x. 2 minus 1, so we get x to the first power. 2 minus 1 equal 1. And then plus. 16 divided by 4 is 4. And the x and x will be 1 over 1. So therefore, it just becomes 4 times 1 equals 4. Now we're going to write it over. 1x squared is x squared. 2 times x to the first power is 2x. And then plus 4. So we found the answer. The answer is x squared plus 2x plus 4. Now let's take a look at question number 3. We get 10x squared plus 5x divided by 5. So each divided by 5. 10x squared over 5. In the middle is plus. And then you get 5x divided by 5. So now 10x squared divided by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2. X squared stay the same because nothing to simplify with that. And plus sign stay the same. 5x divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And nothing simplified with the x, so stay as x. Now we're going to rewrite this over into 2x squared plus x. So this is the answer. Now let's take a look at number 4. Negative 9x squared plus 18x plus 3 divided by 3. So now we are going to rewrite into negative 9x squared divided by 3. In the middle is plus, so we do 18x over 3. In the middle is plus, so 3 over 3. Now we're going to divide. Negative 9 divided by 3. You can do it by yourself, or you can use a calculator. Negative 9 divided by 3. So we're going to write down negative 3. X squared has nothing to simplify with, that stay the same. And then plus 18 divided by 3 is 6. So you get for 6, x stay the same because nothing to simplify with that. And then plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. A number divided by itself is always 1. So we found the answer. Now let's go to question number 5. So same idea, we're going to use each divided by 10x. 20x squared divided by 10x minus 10x over 10x. Now 20 divided by 10 is 2. And then we subtract the exponent. So x stay the same, 2 minus 1. You get 1. And then 10x divided by 10x, it divided by itself, equal 1. So minus 1. So the final answer is 2x minus 1. So we finished question number 5. So maybe using the see that from the video, so do it over one more time. So you get 20x squared minus 10x divided by 10x. I'm going to rewrite into 20x squared over 10x minus 10x over 10x. And then 20 divided by 10 is 2. And then you subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1, so x to the first power, and minus 10x divided by 10x. It divides by itself equal to 1. So that's why the answer is 2x minus 1. Okay, so we finished question number 5. I want you to try number 6 and 7 by yourself. In 1 minute, I will go over the answer with you. Okay, you probably finished already, so let's do number 6. We're going to rewrite into 16x squared divided by 2x. In the middle is plus, and then we do 10x divided by 2x. Now, 16 divided by 2 is 8, and then we subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1 equal 1, so therefore you have 8x to the first power and plus. And then you get 10 divided by 2 is 5, x divided by x, so you're going to become 1, or 1 over 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. So now the final answer is 8x plus 5. Now let's take a look at number 7. So each divided by 5. So 15x squared over 5 minus 30x over 5 and plus 10 over 5. Now 15 divided by 5 is 3. And then nothing to simplify with x squared stay the same. Minus 30 divided by 5 is 6. And nothing to simplify with the x stay the same. And plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, so we finished. That is the final answer. Now you can go to do your lesson summary, and for multiple choice questions, just look like number 6 and 7.